So how to set up a VPN extension? You can connect different kinds of VPN extensions to your web browser. Here, I will show you how to do it. First of all, click on the three dots on the top right corner on your Chrome browser. Once you're here, click on the option that says Manage Extensions. After that, click on Chrome Web Store on the bottom. From here, just click on the search bar on the top right. Then, search for Pure VPN, which is the VPN that I'm using. Then, from the results, click on the first option right here. So I'm using Pure VPN as it is one of the most fastest and reliable VPNs out there. From here, all you need to do is click on Get beside the VPN name. After that, click on Add Extension, and the extension will get downloaded to your computer. So once it's done downloading, all you need to do is click on Open File. Now, just click on the extension icon on the top right here. Then just select the extension and you're good to go. If you want to get Pure VPN, click on my link down in the description to get huge discounts on your Pure VPN subscription. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.